How to open your Corvette trunk using XTOOL's N9EV.
Alright guys, thank you for joining us today. Today we're in this Corvette and we're gonna do the, let's say your trunk switch isn't working and you don't know what the problem is. So we're gonna go into the body control module. We're gonna read the codes first. We have codes, have nothing to do with it. DTCs, diagnostic trouble codes, low battery, fault codes, nothing to do with it. So we're gonna go into actuation tests. And then we are going to, let's say your trunk release doesn't open, we're going to go and turn the trunk release. And we're going to actually unlock the trunk. Thank you for joining us. That was a test in case your switch doesn't work. You know that your system is correct and all you have is faulty switch. Thank you for joining us. For more videos to come.
www.xtooltech.us